Sometimes you know exactly what you want, like this button should obviously be 200 pixels wide. Not more, not less. That's easy. Just wrap the button with a SizedBox and give the width in pixels. You can also provide height for complete control of the size. There, pixel perfect. SizedBox is a widget with a specific size that directs its child to also have that size. What if you tell the SizedBox to have infinite size in a direction? Does it go to infinity and beyond? No, unfortunately. It just expands as much as its parent allows. If you put infinity in both dimensions, then the child fills the available space. There's a handy shortcut for this, SizedBox.expand. You can use SizedBox without a child. It will not render anything, but will still take up the space. Great for adding gaps between widgets. For more info on SizedBox and all the other widgets, head to flutter.dev.